everybody, it is I, Draculaura Fang. And this is my boat. I hope you like it. Well, I'm waiting for Claudine because she's going to come sailing with me. Has anybody seen her? I do like to be on my boat. Where shall we sail to today? Maybe I should let Claudine choose, huh? Or she should be here anytime soon, huh? Draculaura! Oh, it's Claudine! Hi, Claudine! How are you, Claudine? Hi, girlfriend. You do realize your boat's not in water, Draculaura. Oh, what do you mean my boat's not in water? Don't be silly. Draculaura, there's no water. Look. Oh, silly me. Draculaura, are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Thank you for saving me, Claudine. There could have been sharks in that water. Well, my hat is in the water, but that doesn't matter. I'll get it later. Why don't we sing a song, Claudine? Good idea, Drac. I like sailing on my little boat with my friend Claudine. I like sailing on my little boat with Draculaura. Sailing on the sea with my friend is so much fun. And the sea outboat is number one. Ahoy there, mates. Let's have some fun. Sailing on the sea with the boat we love the most. It is very, very much fun. Than sitting in a classroom at Monster High. Sailing on the sea with the friends you love the most. Ahoy, shipmates, come and join us. And sail to the light.